Hello friends, welcome to Food for Soul. I am Ishita and today let me show you how to make the most iconic dish of Mumbai, Vada Pav. And one interesting fact is that the pav, the potato and the chili was introduced to India by the Portuguese and we made a very beautiful snack out of it. Let's see how to make it. I have taken 200 gram of gram flour. To that I'll add half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it a mix and then add water as required. I have used around half cup of water to make the batter. The batter should not be very thin or thick. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of oil and give it a good mix. Then let it rest for 15 minutes. To make the vatata vadas or the potato vadas, I have boiled 4 large potatoes and mashed it. Now I will heat 2 tablespoons of oil and to that I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it crackle. Then I will add 2 chopped green chilies and 10 to 12 curry leaves. I have roughly tore the curry leaves with my hands. You may increase the amount of green chilies if you like it spicy. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric. Cook till the raw smell of turmeric goes away, roughly for 2 minutes. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and cooked till the raw smell of garlic goes away. Now it's time to add the boiled potatoes and mix it well with the spices. Keep the flame low while mixing the spices. Once the potato and the spices are thoroughly mixed, switch off the flame and add freshly chopped coriander. Take out the potato mixture on a plate and let it cool down so that we can make the vadas out of it. In Vada Pav, 2 types of chutneys are used. One is the coriander and mint chutney and another is a dry red garlic peanut chutney. We'll heat 1 tablespoon of oil and to that we will add 3 tablespoons of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Roast all the ingredients on a low flame till a nice aroma comes out of it. Then add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt to taste. Grind all the ingredients into a coarse powder. The dry peanut chutney is ready. With that, I have the coriander mint chutney. It is the regular green chutney that we have at our home. As said in Mumbai language, let us make the vatata vadas. Take a portion from the potato mix that we have made and shape it into balls. Whisk the gram flour batter once more and then dip the vadas in it one by one. The potato balls should be nicely covered with the gram flour batter. Deep fry the vadas in hot oil till the vadas become crispy on the outside and they look nice golden brown. Also put a few spoonfuls of the gram flour batter in the hot oil. This will make nice crispies which we will serve with the batata vadas. We will fry a few slitted green chilies in the same hot oil, and we will serve this with the vadas as a garnish. The vadas look nice and golden. It is time to take them out and prepare our vada pav to serve. Don't forget the gram flour crispies that we made. It adds a very nice texture to the vada pavs. Now let's prepare the vada pav. For that, first of all, I have taken the pav and then I will cut the pav into halves. Spread some coriander and mint chutney. Then add the fried vadas and slightly press them. It will help in holding the dry chutney. Now add some dry chutney and garnish it with the fried green chili, and vada pav is ready to be served. Add the gram flour crispies on the sides and the vada pav is a perfect snack for any time. If you have liked my recipe, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you soon.